ceiling rose and pendant and discuss some other points. We've got our cord grip. So this goes around here to support the flexible cable that goes down to our pendant to stop the full strain being on the terminals. So we wouldn't want the pressure of the light fitting, maybe you've got a shade on there as well as the lamp, being stressing against the terminal. So we bring it round there in a loop, and that becomes a strain relief for it. So it stops you pulling against those connections. And if I undo this one here, which is a manufactured one, you'll see something else. You'll just see a little ferrule in there. So if I just bring it around and undo that, you'll see the end of these from the manufacturer was actually got a ferruled connection. Just pop that out. That little gold, it can be silver in colour. That little tube over the top of those fine stranded conductors, this is a class 5 cable to stop those spraying out and being damaged by screwing into them. They're actually got a ferrule on the end as well, so that's something else to bear in mind. So that was our effectively our switching line connection, and we look at the end of this one and we can see our 2 pins in there for our connections as well as our supporting areas on these as well. So this here is a slightly different arrangement because you'll notice there's 3 connections on here. This was designed for a special type of lamp, but it still had the 2 connecting pins. So if I bring in this next one, you can just see here again, we've only got now 2 connection pins. So this will take a standard bayonet cap lamp, where this one used to take a specially designed one that you could only fit in a certain type of lamp. Well, let's look at a more traditional one. So our 2 connecting points are either side, and our electrical connecting points are these 2 pins here. And if we bring it in, we've got the following. We've got the end of our bayonet cap lamp. So 2 connecting pins for electricity are these 2, and these 2 here connect and hold into position the lamp. So if I pop that into there and I then give it a little twist, those 2 outside pins, okay, lock it into position so it stops it falling out. So push it in and twist it, and that's held into position. And we've made our electrical connection on these 2 connecting pins here, or connecting points are here and here. And you've heard me say many times on the channel, this bayonet cap lamp holder has no polarity. So it doesn't matter which one of these is line, in this case switching line and neutral. So it doesn't matter which one of these is switching line and neutral in this style of bayonet cap lamp. And we know that this tungsten filament one has now been superseded by LEDs. However, on the channel you will see me discussing all kinds of lamps that are still requirements for the end exam.